There's an issue no Jibia, Basalon one.
On your one, sir. On your one.
I'm a mono.
Mba.
Where's your poor?
Amaram. Amaram.
Mono, Fugo before.
Mba.
Where's your corner?
Online can do matagi.
Online.
Yes, sir.
It's online.
Online.
From where is it?
Lagos, my wife no on the job.
Your wife no from Lagos is it?
Yes.
Oh. Oh, Gogolomo. Enjoy mama kamedene. One Gogolom. All is yoku. All is yoku. Enjoy Josie Makamjana and Kendin Angonkunaba. Irueba Fana Kal Condempo. Odmeja Babulo. One name money and what problem. Man, enjoy mama kamedene. A Gogolom. Siona enjoy mama Kodmeja. See, enjoy mama Kodmeja. A Gogolom. On a Macodame. On a Macodame. Ogene. Onye nwere kada chukwu agara iji uwe chai onye gbota dị etinye aka n'akpa onye nwere ego adị ekuko onye gbota dị etinye aka n'akpa maka itinye aka ka efi ga-ewepụta onwe efi ga-ewepụta so onye nwere ego adị ekuko ọ ya bụ na onye gbota dị etinye aka n'akpa ka ịma nke ịma nke ọzọ. I saw this family, they are not happy at all because of this child issue.
Yes, sir.
No happiness, no joy in this marriage.
Yes, sir.
And you people have gone to many places.
Yes, sir.
Where people are directing you, but into native things.
Yeah.
Takes,
Yes, sir.
and nothing happen.
Nothing, sir.
And you people take a lot of drugs.
Yes, sir.
And no child.
No child.
And there is a love doctor gives to you people.
Yes, sir.
Consign you.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking about issue of spam.
Yes, sir. Exactly.
They tell you to have a low spam.
Count.
Okay, did you tell me?
No, sir.
Did I know you?
No.
Did I know you?
No, sir.
Did you tell me about the raptors?
Number 61 be the road.
Olo.
Can not make the test.
Kingdom made the test.
Yes.
Oh, Kogwaga address. You got this in a prophet. Adema Kotu. One enjoy no go, no, I know your former. Abo me pastor na beg encouragement ogo kan na no inwetu obi mu no why anti anana no ya na gwage. That's lion for you. Whatever you call me, I am. But one thing is me, I'm a deadly man. I'm a bad guy. I am good, I am bad, I am terrible, I am all green. Atuzinandi DPA one da 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 da. I will deliver you even there's a love doctor give you two.
Yes, sir.
Get it for one.
There is growth.
There is what?
Growth.
There is what?
Growth.
There is a growth
Yes,
that
sir.
you can't have a child.
Yes, sir.
Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
If you say irrigation or also you can never have a child
Yes, sir.
without growth.
Yes, sir.
Then need you with that growth in your womb.
Yes, sir.
Madam, I will give you a child. I will turn that growth to be a child.
Amen.
They say you don't have a sperm.
Yes, sir.
On the Kambanya Giaketa. Guys, have a baby. Okay, if I call now, guys, I say, okay, my this guy is selling for himself. On all you can now say, if I go to the mezo. Oh, my can them all on the American, I say, yes, so many the man. I don't fuck in him. You damn guy. You must. Yeah, language, mother. All the language, mother. Auntie, me, you then the home. Yeah, for the moon, clear Morianaso. I love this language. You understand? Some of our children in China, or some of our children in South Africa, or Batokuri, you're listening. Them, even some people in Ghana here and Cameroon, or Batokuri, you just say, then nigga, it don't take me down and off there, say me say, or Mwale Yefu. Last card, don't you, and not a more Yefu. Kia, my pussy. I say, then nigga, I'm looking for my worry. Please, do you see me worry? You want to get it. Oh, I got to be a mechanical one day. My dear, the last guy down $1. I say, Emeka, biko. Forget it, then, man. Be careful, wallet, mo. And then I turn of Cassia. Then, nigga, I don't know why. Take him back. I say, Emeka, biko, laugh with them, man. I will give you a child. I will make your happiness to revise, and that is lion for you. It takes me no time. You shall have a baby, and you shall have a baby boy. Why should I specialize to a baby boy? Because you can never ask, and God give you what you don't want. Get it for no sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simple. And God cannot give you snake when you ask for what? Fish. He cannot give you stone when you ask what? Bread. Today, I release a baby. The name of that child shall be called Tony. I'm not sure you know what I'm talking about. Tony Tochukwu, and this is your first child coming.